it's Faye from Jamjargin.
Hi, I'm Dan.
So today we're going to talk about our 5 top tips for a martini,
A Bloody Marvellous Martini. So tip number 1 is glassware. We're real glassware geeks. Find a glass that you really love because it'll make that experience so much better.
Tip number 2 is ice. Make sure you've got fresh ice from the freezer because you don't want it smelling of old stinky fish fingers, and make sure you've got plenty of it.
Tip number 3 is about the vermouth. It's always worth experimenting a bit. Try a few, find one you really like. But really importantly, once you've opened it, make sure you keep it in the fridge because if you don't, it'll start to taste yucky and you don't want that.
Tip number 4 with martinis is don't be afraid to try other ingredients. So a lovely bit of Cointreau or orange liqueur is absolutely fantastic. In actual fact, we have a recipe for orange liqueur in our Bloody Marvellous book, so check that out. And also, another one of our favourites is jamjargin. Marvellous.
And tip number 5, perhaps the most important of all, make sure you have some Bloody Marvellous gin. That was quite good, wasn't it?
Yes.